How about some fried eggs? This pan has been sprayed with non-stick vegetable oil. I've got my air fryer preheating. It's at 375 right now. I'm going to stop it just for a second. Put my eggs in. Careful not to get burnt. Turn it back on to air fry, 375. It's probably going to go for maybe 4 minutes. Bring you back then. How's that look to you? I'm going to let them go for about another minute. Perfect over easy. Alright, let's see what these look like now. Oh yeah, perfect. Let me get my toast in. I'll have my breakfast right here in just a minute. I'll put it on air broil. I know how long it takes. One piece of toast. It's about a little less than 3 minutes. We'll put it on 222. How's that look, boys and girls? Let's see if we can get those out of there. Little pepper. A little salt. A little pink salt. Perfect little breakfast. Eggs over easy, air fryer style. Air fryer broil toast. Got my coffee waiting on me. It's going to be a great breakfast. See you on the next video. I appreciate y'all following me. Subscribe, follow, leave me a comment. Ain't that pretty? Perfect to dip the toast in.